In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer files from your USB flash drive to your laptop or PC. So first, what you need to do is plug in your USB drive into your computer. Once you've done that, Windows may recognize your USB drive and open up File Explorer. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and click on your File Explorer window, which should be on your taskbar, or if you go to Start, you'll be able to see it here. Once you're inside File Explorer, you can then go to this PC. And then once you're on this PC, you'll see your local disk, which will be your laptop or computer, and you'll also see your USB drive. If you double click on your USB drive, you'll then be able to see all the files currently on it. Go ahead and highlight all of the files you want to transfer. In my case, I'm just going to transfer all of them. So we'll highlight all of the files, we'll right click, then we'll click on copy. What you need to do now is find a place on your computer to put them. So I'm going to click into my desktop and we'll right click here and then paste them on the desktop. It's then going to paste the files and you'll be able to see them on your computer or on the location that you've pasted them to.